Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So before we get started today, actually, I just want to take a quick second to give a big shout out to some of you guys who've been leaving comments below in the previous videos. It really does help me a lot. Not only does it help push these videos out more to everyone, but it also helps me get a better idea of which direction to really take this channel in. So yeah, I see you, and I am trying to bring some of your guys' ideas to life in these videos. So look forward to that. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started into the video. All right, so what we are going to be doing today is deploying a PowerShell script via Intune. So the script I'm working with is basically just a script created to set a task in Task Scheduler. And the task is to just shut down the computer every day at 11:30, and it just runs on the highest privileges. And it just repeats daily. So this is really good if you're looking to just automate certain tasks on a device and all that. So yeah. All right, so what we want to do here is we just want to go over to the Intune admin center right here. Next, we are going to select devices. And under devices, if you just go down all the way here, you'll see scripts intermediations. Go ahead and select that. And we want to go over to platform scripts right here, and we're just going to do new and select Windows. All right, so we're just going to give this a name real quick. We'll say test script. Next. Now here you want to basically select the script location wherever you have it stored or saved. I have it in my downloads folder. All right, and then yeah, you can basically select some of these options. Run the script using the logged on credentials. Enforce script signature check. You can. That's probably a smart idea there. The architecture doesn't really matter. I mean, for most cases it won't, at least. So I'm just going to leave that at no. And then we just want to select groups here. For me, I have my Intune test group that I am doing all this on, which is right here. Test devices. And all we're going to do is hit next, review it, and right here it will show you how many devices it is going to be deployed on. But yeah, that's really it. Once you hit add, it should create the script and push out the policy for it. It might take a bit for it to fully sync and update on both device and Intune. So yeah, once it does, I will be back. Okay, we are back. Now, after reading through Google, the Microsoft documentation, as well as a couple of Reddit posts, spending roughly 2 hours on this, I was trying to figure out why this script wasn't showing up on my device. And it turns out, when you're deploying really any script through Intune, it takes approximately 12 plus hours for the script to actually show up on the device.
Fuck Microsoft!
So yeah. So yeah, let's go to our test device that we're deploying this on. And here is the script right here. It's basically just a command that shuts down the computer every day at 11:30. Nothing special, really. And yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have any questions, any suggestions, please do leave them down in the comment. And other than that, I will catch you guys in the next one.